Stop right now. There's a bear right there. There is a bear right there. Can you hear me? Oh, he sees it. That's a bear. Back away. Go back to your car. That's fine.
Oh, you know how to open the door. Okay. Well, what do you know? Okay. Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this picture, and I'm going to dip.
Французский бульдог Джино очень не любит посылки.
It's doing it again. Well, this one specific type of bird attacked. I'm scared, I'm sorry. Oh, please swoop down! Johnny! I hate them!
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Выполнена доставка не только посылки, но и поглаживаний.
Holy. I will climb the. Yo, what the man?
What's up, bud? Yeah, I took a picture. No. You gonna let it go? Let it go. No.
После такой погони доставщик точно заслуживает премию.
Hey! It's her.
It's a bull snake.
It's her snake.
No. Oh my God! Are you okay? She's not gonna hurt me. Stop running! No, I'm sorry. Stop! You know what? I have that on camera.
Get out of here, damn.
Bird. Hey. Oh.
Boy, I'm about to really get chased by this bird. What, man? Get out of here. Get out of here. Go. No. No.
Next recipient of a ball. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, honey bunny. Oh, yep, you just come right in. Look what I got for you. Look what I, wait, come here. Look. You doing a ball? You do. Yes, that's a good baby. That's a good baby. Yes. Oh, you're so happy? Are you so happy? You can keep that. Yes, you can keep it. You can. And see, this is why I bring tennis balls and treats.
Oh, yeah, I might gotta test his water. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Oh, yeah, you bluffing.
Really all that, huh, guys?
Yeah, no problem. We're gonna get run over.
Look at this.
I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Uh-oh. Thank you. I got done control, bro. You don't get it.
You just chicken attacking me. I swear to God. Whoa! I swear to God. I swear to God. Did you do that?
Hey, you're blocking the barcode. Okay. Hold on 1 second.
Но какой доставщик приходит с пустыми руками? У него и для собак что-нибудь найдется.
That's one thing.
She's friendly, I promise.
Oh, that put this mummy in the garden.
There's the mailbox. There he is. He's waiting. He's waiting. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh my goodness, there's more of you. One for you. One for you. Excuse me. And one for you. Are you expecting more? One per customer, that's it. Bye-bye, see you later.
Hold on now. All right, you got sit. 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 Take it nice. Good. Easy. There you go. Okay. All right, one more each. Okay. Sit. Easy. Shake.
Don't tear up the box while I'm gone, okay? See you later. Be good.
Hey! Up, bro! Sadie, come inside here. Here, Sadie! Sadie! Hey, Sadie! Sadie! Over here. I got it. Jesus! Yeah, sorry. Sorry, bud. So I'll teach you a trick. If you ever deliver here, just toss it out the window. Sorry, bud. Sweet Jesus, bro. Sorry, bud. No, man. She's never bit me, buddy.
Just Daddy ducking early. Oh my gosh, hold on. Hello? How are you?
I need somebody to open this phone.
Oh, yes ma'am. Hey, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
I can't get it
No,
open.
that's totally fine. I don't mind helping you. Come over anytime you need some help. Let's see. Let's see. Give me a little trouble too. There we go.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes ma'am. You have a good day.
I live across the street.
That's not a problem. You help yourself anytime you need some help.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Hey. Yes,
I'm not home. I'm not home.
Oh, you're not. I just wanted to stop and let you see my hair.
Oh, well, let me see. Look in the camera. The doorbell.
That's
Cute.
the doorbell.
Okay, turn around. Oh, I like it. Okay, that's cute.
Okay, see ya, honey.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you.
Всем районам они пришли поздравить соседа с 92-м днем рождения.
This is your neighbor. I seen someone try to break in the side of your house, and I confronted him about it, and he said that he knew the owner over here.
Where was he?
He was trying to break in the side of your house right there on the side.
No.
Yeah, it's
Was
a
he
big
tall?
white guy. He's a big white guy. He has a long hair with a beard.
He was trying to open the side?
Yeah, he was like on his knees trying to open the door. I was watching him. I was like, why is he so suspicious? And then I got out the car and I confronted him. He said he knew the owner over there. And then I said it could be a problem if you come back over here. But I said I'm gonna come over here and let you know what's going on.
Огромная благодарность такому соседу за то, что он не только предупредил о злоумышленнике, но и помог предотвратить его проникновение в дом.
I'm gonna go look around to see if I can get a picture of him. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of him.
All right, please. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Take a go. Get inside. Okay. No, one little step up here, okay? Step up. Perfect.
Слось.
Damn! I flipped that.
Oh,
Tom, are you there? Hello, Tom.
How's it going?
Hey, thank you again, sir. Thank you.
Hi. Hey, is Jason home?
No, he's not. He's playing golfing.
Okay. I'll just
What you
see if
doing?
he could open that.
I got this. Give me that.
Well, I couldn't.
Come on.
Cheryl couldn't. I don't have no strength left.
Been so sweet to us.
Well, I certainly appreciate it.
Well, we certainly appreciate it. Madison and I kind of made you an internet celebrity.
Uh-oh.
We wanted to give you this,
Thank you very much.
and we wanted to see your reaction when you see what's inside.
Jesus, what'd you do? You did a Phillips thing too? What are you saying you went on the internet? Holy cow, what is all of this? You've lost your mind. Oh, wow.
There's more where that came from.
Gift cards?
Yes, so you have $200 to Temple.
Holy cow!
You have $100 to Pete's, and another 100 to Phil's. And then with the money we had over, we gave you a cash tip for almost a year of delivering coffee to our...
Hi, I am your neighbor, and when I cook a lot everything, I am Mexican, and I have more later. I come back. Then
Oh, what's this? Not today, Sherry. Thought you'd catch me sleeping on a Saturday, Sherry. Not today. Unbelievable, I tell ya. Sneaky neighbors trying to mow her grass before me. Sherry, you missed a spot. And the victory strip. Sherry.
Hello. Hi, can we sing you a song? Sorry, like just to make your day. Cool name. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Bit cocky, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Can I have a fist bump? Have a nice day.
Oh my God. Right there. Right there.
What's happening? No, Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, and
that's between you all. Oh, thank you so much. Can I get some sweets?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, for me?
Okay, baby, food, yes.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Happy Father's Day.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you.
I love you. You're beautiful. You are one of the most awesome and amazing human beings I've ever had the pleasure of knowing. I love you so much.
Can you stay here?
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Hi there, guys. Can I help you?
Yeah, we got Britt.
Oh, did he get out? Oh my gosh.
He came over to the yard next to play with me.
Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Yeah, real afraid.
Yes.
I don't even know how to was outside. Thank you very much.
No, it's okay.
You're always amazing.
You're such a freak.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy, neighbor. Howdy, neighbor. See you later.
picture from home.
Babka, Louisa.
What's your plan? What's your...
She got out. I heard her, she barked at me, and then I heard her whimpering. She didn't come across. I was going to put her back. I thought, no, maybe you better look at the lot latch. But she just, the part that's there now, it's just ice.
Yeah.
So I got
That's why I put it down. I put the salt down last night because I know it'll be easier this morning.
For you, Mr. Chris. When are you going to be home?
I'm actually right around the corner. I'll probably be home in about 5-10 minutes at the most.
Okay, text us when you get home.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, we'll bring the guest by when you get home, Mr. Chris.
Perfect. I appreciate it. I'll see you soon, okay?
Bye.
All right, bye.
Сосед...
You can just leave it in the mailbox. I'm in the shower.
Okay.
Thank you.
Morning.